Welcome to Commons West. This is a 5-story apartment building on the western end of the Ithaca Commons. We're here today to see apartment 207, a studio on the second floor. Let's head on in. As you enter, the first thing you'll notice is your hall closet on the left. Heading on into the apartment, you come to the kitchen with a refrigerator, a dishwasher, a microwave, and an electric oven and range. On into the living area, you'll find 5 pieces of furniture: a bookshelf, a dresser, a desk and desk chair, and a full-size bed. This apartment faces east, and you get lots of morning light even on a cloudy day. Every apartment is air-conditioned and has a heating element. And here is your large main closet. One great feature of Commons West is the intercom system, so you can buzz your friends up. We'll finish in the bathroom. A nice bathroom with a shower and tub combo, and a vanity with medicine cabinet. Rent for Commons West apartments includes heat, water, and trash and recycling fees. Electricity is the tenant's responsibility, and high-speed internet is available upon request. Thank you for coming on a tour of Commons West 207. Call us today for availability.